sky is heavy with the ash. I walk across the plains of stone. No birds fly in the silent air. I am the soul who stays behind. Oh, great silence, hear my voice. The earth is sleeping in the cold. I hold the memory of the light underneath the iron sky. Underneath the sky. The towers stand like broken kings. They watch the falling of the gray. Once there was fire and the sea. Now only winter marks the way. The wind carries no names. The stars do not look down. I am the last to speak before the world is gone. Oh, great silence, hear my voice. The earth is sleeping in the cold.